Lord, I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh yeah. I'm ready. Shoot that scratch me. Yeah. What's up, guys? The boy Santa's coming in the middle. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all think I'm playing with you? It's a beautiful Monday. I'm ready. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. You think I played, boy? Let's do this. Welcome back, guys, to The Last of Us 2 I Wish edition. Big up to the beautiful people around the globe. Just gotta log in and watch this video right now. Big up on yourself, yeah? Yeah, a lot of vibe and energy, yeah? You see it, guys? Y'all know the usual, just setting up my thing and thing. Make sure everything's good. Know what I'm saying? Go call your friend. Tell your friend, come watch my video. You know, come journey with your boy. I'm just saying though, you know, cause I'm playing. You know what I mean? Hope I remember all the buttons. You see, that's always the issue. I really hope I remember all the buttons. Hope I remember all of the buttons. Oh, all of the buttons. I think I'm ready now, yeah? Alright guys, let's get right into it. No hitching, no scratching, none at all. What I'm saying? Alright guys, here we go. Hope you guys been having a wonderful day so far, you know what I'm saying? Such a beautiful day. I'm saying. Oh yeah. It's the real boss. The man. Joe himself. Okay, let me get my gun, get my whip. So, oh snap, I'll be seeing bullet. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I need to try to remember all the buttons now. Okay. Do one of these. You know what I'm saying? Get one of these, max up all my things, you know what I'm saying? Cause I'll be ready now to take on the world, bruh. Okay, cool. Got some of my goods, weapons, bags. Well, at least most of the ammo. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, good stuff. I'll make one more. It's always good to have a light, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Can't remove this now, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. I ain't got no more loots, bruh. Ooh. And I've been good, you love me so, yeah. Ooh, baby. Oh, God. Okay. Oh. So, guys, we're gonna look for LA. She ain't here, man. Ellie's gone.
Where are you?
Ellie, God. Alright, let's go. Y'all know me already. I'm always looking for the goodies. I'm a scavenger. Oh, more goodies. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. More goodies.
Ellie! Where'd she
What?
run off to?
Ellie ain't here, boy. Elephant Man is at the studio. Can I search some house? Will I find some goodies? Oh, this is the same house I was in. Bruh. It was that moment you realized that he messed up. Alright, guys. I want to put it in the wifey. Oh. Guys, I'm afraid. Oh, this shook! Ooh, oh, I got shot. Where they at? Oh, oh, shooks. They spot me. Guys, I got shot. See, I hate taking breaks from the games, and when it's time to go back there, I'm going dead in.
I'm going over this way. You guys, go check over that way.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, guys, we got 6 bodies. Some close.
Keep searching.
I'm gonna kill all of y'all.
Where is this guy? What you got? Nothing. What about you? Same. Keep looking. I'll take you out here.
Guys, you saw where I shot him? How you ain't dead, bruh? Bruh, I shot you in your neck. That should have like got through the next part. How you not dead? You know say I foul like you met that bad man for. Blow? I be a man. I be a man come up a while ago. Yo, that thing did funny a while ago, bruh. I be a man. I be a man a while ago. Come from run.
Don't let him get you!
Yo, that was so funny. Yo, I never see, yo, a beer man pop up a while ago. Yo, that was so funny, guys. But a dozen man pop up a while ago, bruh. Where they at? Okay, I sees them. Okay, I need one of them tacking bombs thing, you know what I'm saying? Yes, 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 yes. What the hell? Alright. Alright. The sneaking guys pretty slow and nice. Okay. We're switching. X. Okay, if I have visual. Okay. I have visual on a tango. Can I hit him? Tango down. Tango down. How is he not dead? How are you not dead? That was a headshot. Engaging and tango down. Alright. Okay, good. Woo. Alright, here we go, guys. That was one at the front. I still have an axe. I don't need that one. I ain't got no blocks, I ain't got no bottle. Okay, good. Okay guys, so we got 2 guys down. Yeah. Yeah. Getting some new supplies, guys. Always good to get back new supplies, you know what I'm saying? Okay, can I upgrade this? I have nothing to upgrade this. A dust bomb. Need to make one more of these. Cause it really work and help me out. Know what I'm saying? Can't upgrade. Alright. Let me switch from this to that just in case. Okay, here we go, guys. I can't jump through that window. Are you serious? Here we go, guys. Whew. Alright, listening note. I knew it. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Nice, 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 nice. Typical Skull, Wagwan, welcome to the live stream, bruh. Hey!
You wait here. Now, the girl. Is she alive?
What girl? I don't know no girl.
Oh my god.
Focus right here, right here. I'll pop your goddamn knee off. The girl.
The girl. You remember Elephant Man daughter?
She's David's newest pet.
Where?
In the town. In the town.
But you're gonna mark it on the map. And it better be the same exact spot your buddy points to. Mark it.
It's right there. You can verify it. Go ask him. Go on. I tell you, I ain't lying. I ain't.
Oh damn.
Fuck you, man. He told you what you wanted. I ain't telling you shit.
Oh yeah, man, love this game, my favorite game.
I believe it.
No, wait!
Oh my god.
Wakey, wakey. Come on.
Let's go! Stop!
I warned you.
I'm infected! I'm infected!
Really?
So are you. Right there. Roll up my sleeve. Look at it!
I'll play along.
What'd you say? Everything happens for a reason, right?
What the hell is that? She would have turned by now. It can't be real. Looks pretty fucking real to me.
Wow. Wow. Okay, she bad, sir. We need to get the hell out of this damn place.
Fuck. It's locked. I need a gun.
Go, 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 go. Give me that gun. Need a gun, guys. Need a. I need a gun, guys. I need a gun. I ain't got no gun. Typical Skulls, first time here, bro. Okay, watch. Alright guys, so we got one guy down, but see, we're gonna need some bullets, you know what I'm saying? Headshot.
Son of a bitch!
Run, 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 run.
Come out, you coward.
Go, 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 let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Go get that damn bullet. I ain't gonna damn die, I ain't gonna die, I ain't gonna die. Alright guys, I don't want to die. Don't. Oh my god, where am I getting shot from? Oh shit. Give me that damn gun. You ain't got no damn bullet, boy. Damn, all of that. All of that for nothing? All of that for nothing, boy? Oh my god, the earth. All of that work if you don't, dog. Where me I go? Oh god, where am I gonna go? I have to subscribe to you. Oh, thank you very much. No problem if you want to. Sure. Hey, welcome to the wonderful world of Cytopia. Oh my god. Where am I? Where are we going? Trying to get out of this place. I don't know where to go. I need to go back to this place. Okay, I think I found the new location.
They're everywhere. Which way?
Holy shit! You're gonna pay
Oh
for
my
that!
god, go, 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 go. Oof. Oof. I'm gonna die. Yo, Mirth, quick, what up, what up, what up? Welcome to live stream, bro. Me, I got dead. I'm gonna die. Oh, shucks, they're everywhere, bro. Oh my god. I shot you in your head. How are you not dead? How are you not dead? Oh my god, bruh. I shot you in your forehead. Ugh. See, I wanna try. You see, I need the bullets, guys. That's the problem now. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. What? Oh, it's cold. I die in the snow.
They're everywhere. Which way?
Go, 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 fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back. Oh my god. Hey. This happen when you got no weapon, bruh. I have to be. Alright, I gotta move stealthy now. Okay, guys, here we go. saw me, man. He saw me. Oh, you saw me, bruh. Big up yourself, Mr. Williams. Welcome to the live stream, bruh. Guys, what am I gonna do? Oh my god, I ain't got no bullets. I ain't got no bullets, guys. He's there. Oh my, gonna get him. Oh my god. I got no bullets. I ain't got no bricks. How am I gonna do this now, guys? How am I gonna do this now? So I'm trying to find a brick to distract this guy. And I'm slow dying. Because it's so cold, I'm dying slowly. Well, no one here. I already killed all these guys, I think. I'm looking around for loot. Ain't got no resources here, bro. Don't eat no piece of bread. Don't dog. Oh my god, it's so cool. It's so cool. Okay, so I found a bottle, yeah? I found a bottle, guys. Okay. That's all I got. Okay, so you see the problem now? I need to find back where I came from. Yeah, that's the next problem. Are you serious? He's still there. He is still there. Wait. Oh, shucks, I did that too late, guys. I'm gonna die. Ah, shucks. Where did I get shot from? This one is tough, guys. Oh, there he is. I'm gonna die. Come on. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I'm gonna die, guys. The cold. It's pulling my life down, guys. It's too cold. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I'm gonna die shortly. Hypothermia, whatever they want to call it. Yep, I died. Oh, this one is tricky, guys. This one is kind of hard, yeah? Okay.
They're everywhere.
What the hell? That don't make no sense. Jeez. Ah.
They're everywhere.
Right here!
Look around out here. Go check over that way.
Girl, I thought Joel taught you better than this. You hack and slash, bruh. Alright, so we know which way we should take then, guys. Right. So, got something a while ago, guys. Got some bullets. Oh, shucks. Good. Good. Alright, we're getting somewhere now, guys. Know that we're pistol, let's go. Alright, cool. Need another distraction.
This place is a damn maze.
I'm saying we could have a real situation here. We already have a situation. Yeah, I got you.
Really? Wow. Wow. Really? Really? Oh my god. Alright guys, I have to start back all the way from down here. Wow. That's so messed up, guys. 1 second. Wow. After all of that, after all. To do all of that over, bro.
Which way?
Okay. Got some bullets. That's good. So far, so good. So far, so good. We ain't gonna fire, guys, unless it's absolutely necessary, yeah? Absolutely necessary. Let's reload, guys. We get some bullets, which is good. Alright. There was one guy here. Here he is. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go, let's go. Nice, 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 nice. So he's down. Let's go. We juke him like Maka.
This place is a damn maze.
Okay, here we go, here we go. Here we go, guys. Juke up that. Stop up that. Juke up that. He dead. I juke his damn juke out. That I don't know if that makes no sense. But me juke him juke up. No, that no make no sense. Alright, cool. Damn you, Gate 76 gamer, you made the 1,000. I'm so proud of you, my brother. Let's do this. Congratulations, making the 1,000, making the 1,000. Oh my, really? Really? Oh my God. that was my fault, guys. Road to 2K, man. Yeah, man, I did comment, you know. What next, boy? There? Yeah, man, I did comment on the live stream yesterday, you know what I mean? Can't get me, you. I'm faster than you. Usain Bolt! Usain Bolt! Yeah, man, road to 2K, I know. You mean, bro? Let's do this. Woo! Yo! Yeah. Yeah, man, just shh, my life. Just make sure call me. If anything, tell her to call me on my phone, if anything. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Alright, guys, so we have one more person. Oh, shoot! Oh, I didn't want to use those weapons, guys. No! Alright, give me 1 second, guys. What? Oh, shooks, another person coming.
Let you go. I'm gonna find you.
Tap your nice, yeah, man. Stab up that. Stab it. Okay, 1 second, guys. One second. 1 second, guys. Alright guys, 1 second, I'm coming, don't kill me, I'm coming! Me a come! Me a forward, a little emergency. Don't kill me, thief, don't kill me. Me a come. 1 second, hold on, 1 second, me come. 1 second. I'm back, guys. I'm back. Oh, okay, alright. Okay, I'm ready, guys. Sorry, I was really hungry. Let my sister order food for me. Woo! I had to tell her, shh. Well, my road manager. Okay. Alright, guys, we're back. Let's tune in now. Let's vibe back in, eh? Damn, why shot me, dog? After me, I do so good. I'm a flawless victory star because I run by the jack up, but I mean, interrupt me the star. God do a star. Now, Shubo, pull up the door. See, when you do these things, there's no distractions, you see? Alright, guys, see, we're back now. Okay. Go.
Where do I go?
Let's go. Where did I come from, guys? I came from over there, right? If I came from over here, is it just one big circle then? Oh my God, there no food here, no nothing, bruh. Oh my God. Bro, I don't understand Spanish, but welcome to the live stream. Hey.
This place is a damn maze.
Oh. Man, I really wish I understand Spanish. I only speak 2 languages, bro. English and Patois. Well, welcome to the live stream. LC Sinombre. Welcome to the live stream, El Sinobre. If that's your name, bro. Woo. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. Woo. Alright. Come by me, but with her face uncovered. Come by me with her face covered. What's that? What do you mean, bro? Oh shucks. Oh damn, this stage. Yes. Mm. Yes, it's so warm and nice in here now. By the way, guys, these guys cook humans for food, and they do it quite well. Like a perfect recipe, bruh. Like what the hell? I remember here. Yeah, I remember here. Shit. I remember here, guys. Yeah. Yep, I remember this stage. You guys gonna love this part. Okay, guys. I don't remember where I should go. But I see some loot, guys. I'm not kinda greedy, but I need the loot. Okay. I saw something a while ago. Shit, shit.
How did you do it? It's all right.
Yep, I remember
Nowhere to
this.
go. Give these keys. No, you're not infected. No one that's infected fights this hard to stay alive.
I gotta get those keys.
What is it? Had me back there. For a second, you shook my faith. But only for a second. Oh, hey, Ellie. I'm sorry about your horse. I truly am. I hope you take comfort in knowing that you won't waste any part of it.
Fuck.
No, I really wish you hadn't killed James. He's a good kid. Just doing his job, like all those people you killed. Just gonna make our group.
That's what I need to do, guys. Yep, that's what I need to do. Stab him. Stab him, guys. Stab him when he ain't looking. Just stab him. That's all I need to do.
No, you keep surprising me. Aha.
Kinda greedy, But I need the loot. Okay. I saw something a while ago. Shit, shit. Come on, come on.
How did you do it? It's all right.
Yep, I remember
Nowhere to
this.
go. Give these keys. No, you're not infected. No one that's infected fights this hard to stay alive.
I gotta get those keys.
What is it? That had me back there. For a second, you shook my faith. But only for a second. Oh, hey, Ellie. I'm sorry about your fall. I truly am. I hope you take comfort in knowing that you won't waste any part of it.
Fuck.
No, I really wish you hadn't killed James. He's a good kid. Just doing his job, like all those people you killed. Just gonna make our group.
That's what I need to do, guys.
Whoops. It's a shame you wouldn't come around. But it's too late now. Give up now. Promise to be quick. Promise.
Yeah.
I heard that. Okay then. Don't say I didn't give you a chance. You know I love how you think that you're better. Oops.
Ah, you crazy fuck.
Didn't have to be this way, you know.
Ah,
Brought this on yourself. Yeah. Oh, I see you. There you are. There.
okay. I said, I wish. I put in bracket, I wish. I was like, hey Max, welcome to the live stream, bruh. Hey. Where is this psychotic man? Okay, so That's where he is. Okay. Just need to sneak up on him one more time. Could have gotten him there. Where is he? Come upstairs, boy. Let's go.
Hello, Ellie.
Damn game of hide and seek, bruh. Pardon my Nightbot, Max. Nightbot can be a little douchebag when she's ready. Okay, good. So he's over there. Okay, good. Watch him. I wish I had a bottle. You're taking forever to come to me so I can kill you. Where the hell is he, man? Yes. Yes! 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 We got him. Woo! Okay. One step to the heart, baby. So it's showtime now, baby. Let's go. The myth, the legend. Okay.
Look, the kid is dead. We don't know where she's gonna turn up. Keep your eyes and ears open.
The hell is this fucking...
I got a whole lot of loot, baby.
Son of a bitch!
Come on, move! Jesus Christ.
You're dead, asshole!
No, no, no! How that even make any sense? Switch it. One time. Two. Tango down. Watch, 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 watch. Ain't got no time for this, bro. Shit, dog. I ain't got no time for this, bro. Damn, stealth, bro. I'm a tactical fighter. I ain't got no time for this, bro. Damn. Gone blazing, bro. Let's go, let's go. Okay, I am not switching from my axe. The axe is an instant kill, guys, which is pretty good. So I got enough of that. Can I upgrade this? Nah. Okay, we're good so far, guys. I can probably switch to... That's all I got, 3 bullets? Really, bruh? Alright. Good so far, guys. Oh, shucks, I see somebody. Okay. X, one time. Headshot and... Tango down. Yo, if he ain't dead, guys, if he ain't dead, I'ma stop playing this game right now. You see, if he ain't dead, I'll go play this game no more, okay? You dead, cheat the game. If you ain't dead, I'm done. Me I lock off the stream, I know. Come and go be shot in the head. I see another one. I see another one. Yep, damn, he saw me. Okay, watch him, wait for him. One time. 1, 2. Nice. Listen. You ain't got no bullets, boy? God damn it, after all of that, you ain't got no bullets. You so damn worthless. You come out of war. You got your gun. Guys, which way should I go? Should I go left or right? I heard noise. Heard noise in my left headphones. Okay, I see somebody. I see somebody. It's somebody. I know I just see somebody. Yeah. See somebody. How many? May just see somebody. Ooh, but I see somebody. Shit, that three of them. Shit. Watch it, dude. Shit, dude. God, I'm a damn fighter. You take over my damn bullet, boy. Oof, that was good, guys. We got it. Let's go, Team JA. Let's go. Let's go, Team JA. Let's go. I know I saw somebody else. I knows I saw somebody else. Let's refill on that bullet. Watch out, fool ya. Watch ya. Watch it, man. It's a workless set of bodyguard. They not no use. Really, nigga? That's past worthless. I thought I was horrible. I thought I was horrible, guys. You workless. I don't trust this. It's too quiet. Hi. Here looks familiar. Okay. Yeah, where am I going at? Oof. Oof. Warm up now, guys. Oh, new clothes. Oh, got their bag.
What is this? Where's all this stuff here?
What the hell are they doing? Ain't got no loots in there, bruh. Ain't got no clothes, no nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna need to switch to my crank that soldier boy. You know what I'm saying, guys? Cause I ain't be trusting nothing up in this building. I'm sorry, guys. I just realized that this gun is my favorite gun, my revolver. Okay, I've been loving that gun so much. Guys, it's holy shit. See? So this is what they're doing with.
I gotta find her. I gotta find her.
All these guys. This dude look like he's like about to scuba dive. He's dying. Yeah, so what they do is keep these guys in the refrigerator to eat them, cook them, season them up. Season them real good, you know what I'm saying? All I know, I'm gonna kill all of y'all. I ain't gonna run from none of y'all. I'ma strategize them.
Shit. Ellie?
Yep, that's the building. Yeah, it's the building. Come on, elephant man. Come on, Ellie. Let's go. Get that chopper, baby. Let's go. Oh, Ellie, move, move, baby, move. Move, baby girl, let's go. Move, baby girl, let's go. Oh my God, my damn stomach.
Oh, your head hard.
God.
You know, it's okay to give up. Ain't no shame in it. I guess not. It's not your style, is it? You can try begging.
Fuck you.
You think you know me? Huh? Well, let me tell you something. You have no idea what I...
Come on, Ellie. Cut his damn forehead like a jelly. Oh, coconut water. Woo. Chop up, man. Chop up. Yeah. Bang. Mende. Bankai. Uso. Ne. Menzodo.
Okay, it's me. It's me. It's me.
Welcome to the live stream, the Gaming TV. Chapichi. Coconut water. Yo, you guys saw that? She went bankai on him. Gankai. Insectuko. I just went anime there. Okay, cool. Calm down. Okay, calm down, Sinus. Relax. This is the emotional part now. Father. Dog, them chop here your forehead. Ah, good. Raper boy. He's dead, guys. Bang on that like button down below if you love how he died. I love how he died. You damn raper guy, you. Rude. So it's spring now, guys. Ha, sunlight. Okay.
Did you hear me?
No. What?
Look. Hospital. This is where we get off. Let's go, kiddo.
Yo, damn.
Feel that breeze, huh? I tell you, on a day like this, I just sit on my porch, pick away my six string. You know, once we're done with this whole thing, I'm gonna teach you how to play guitar. I reckon you'd really like that.
Sounds familiar, right? Play a guitar.
What do you say, huh?
I'm just being stupid, guys. Yo, it's like a lot of times when you think that this story is done, it is not done. So right now, guys, I'm searching for loot. Searching. Ooh, goodies! Yeah, supermarket shopping, Walmart. Ooh, peso. Ooh, that's a whole lot of goodies. Oh, sorry. I just need your goods, see, because I'm gonna need them to survive.